Yo, what it do? It's your boy alwoo-witdashoe back at y'all with some more banging classic content. So, ain't nobody working harder than your boy in the lab. Go ahead, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump aboard. I want to talk to y'all today about how do you decide on what shoe to add to your collection. Now, as a beginning sneakerhead, something that you got to take into account. Are you going for style? Are you going for comfortability? Are you going for affordability? That's how this thing works. I break it down into two categories. You either want to be a stylish person or you want functionality. Functionality people, you are more practical. You are more about the everyday wear, about comfort. You don't really care how the colorway looks. You don't care about the style. You don't care about the release. You don't care about nothing, but as long as the shoe goes on your foot. So if that's the case, you should find yourself at a lot of different discount shoe stores. DSW, you can go to Famous Footwear. You can go to, it's a lot of different budget places for you to be able to find shoes. Yes, you can even go to Kmart or even go to Walmart or even go to Target. Yes, Meyer even have shoes. Go in the men's section, look for those different type of shoes that's like the Nikes. They're just Nikes. It could be even Monarchs. And I just did a video. Go check that out in my playlist. But yes, functionality people, you're more concerned about how the shoe fits and how it feels, not how it looks. Now for the people that's falling in the category of style, you want to go ahead, jump on Sneakers app. You want to jump on GOAT. You want to jump on any website that you can, Sneaker Bar Detroit, to be up on the latest and greatest drops. Style, grace, and all of that comes in with staying with the trends and setting your own trend. So I would say when it comes to style, wear what statement you are trying to make. If you're going for something more low-key, then go ahead and get you some Air Maxes, some New Balances, some Asics. You don't always have to get the hype beast releases. But if you are a hype beast or someone who wants to be on the latest fashion trends, that's when you're going to have to cop all the hype beasts, the collabs. Stay in tune. So that's how you start it off. Do you go for more functionality or do you go for more style? Ask that question for the beginner sneakerhead and you. It's your boy alwoo-witdashoe. You already know what to do. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, alwoo-witdashoe.